Namaste and Hare Krishna. So today I decided to do a little bit of a makeup tutorial today, and I'm also going to be posting another video today, so keep on watching for that one, and I hope you all enjoy. So first I'm going to start out with this new palette that I got. It's called the CNS. I also forgot to mention this look is inspired by Jodha Akbar, the TV show. I started watching it and I just love it, and I thought this sari looked a lot like some of the saris that she wore. And yeah, so I'm gonna take the eyeshadow Groovy and Madly. I'm going to place this right into my crease, because she has a very cut crease, I've noticed. Also in the movie version of Jodha Akbar, she had a very cut crease. I think what really interested me about the show in the movie is that she was a very big devotee of Lord Krishna, and so am I. And so that's why I'm doing her makeup, and I'm trying my best. Don't think I'm not. And for all of you that don't like these types of things, I'm gonna have another video posting. I don't know if I mentioned that. Probably did. I'm just stressed out. I started my summer courses, and I'm just like, my brain is like in another world. So then I'm gonna take the shade Dynasty. I'm gonna put this on my lid. Kind of suits it, doesn't it? Please ignore this thing on my nose. I got burnt. I'm not sure if it's like a chemical burn or if it was from being outside all day, like this and this, like little blisters in my face, but we'll get over it. Now it's time for the eyeliner. I really suck at putting eyeliner on, so I'm not going to show you, but I am going to do like a thicker eyeliner on my top, because I've noticed she has like a very thick eyeliner. It kind of looks like she has really thick lashes, so I'm going to try doing that. So I'm going to turn around. Oh. This is the type of look you want to go for. It's really wet, so I don't want to blink too much, because this thing is waterproof. And this should be your finished look with the eyeliner. It's a very thick eyeliner type of look. I've actually been using this eyeliner look every single day, but I decided to show you guys. I also got the Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and it's H2O proof. This stuff, I promise you, does not come off. You have to really scrub at your lid with a makeup remover to get this off. Okay, I went to the gym with this on and ran with sweat just pouring down my face, and this stuff never moved. And so next I'm going to take my blush. I'm actually going to use this lighter blush. I'm just going to put it like this. I'm waiting for it to my eyeliner to dry a bit more before I do anything else. So I'm just going to do that. And you want to blend. I just loosely put the sari on, so it's probably fighting to stay. And so I apologize about that. I'm not going to wear this the whole day. Next I'm going to take this. This is CoverGirl. CoverGirl recently went cruelty-free here. Not sure if it's cruelty-free everywhere, but, you know, it's something. They stopped testing on animals. That is a really good thingy. Now for the lips. I just got this lipstick and I absolutely love it. It's like a very neutral, but it also makes your lips look a lot bigger. And so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yes, I have my sari in a Rajasthani style. I hope you all enjoy this video, and I hope you thumbs up, and I'll be uploading another video relatively soon in the same outfit and the same makeup, so don't think I like never change or something. So, bye-bye.